To Mamata government amidst massive bloodshed. The Supreme Court upheld Calcutta High Court order to deploy central forces in Bengal during the Panchayat polls. The top court also pulled up State Election Commission stating that there's a history of violence in Bengal and that holding elections cannot be a license for violence. Supreme Court highlighted it is the state poll body's job to ensure that there's free and fair election in the state. And just as the Supreme Court was hearing the matter, fresh violence was reported from Malta. TMC independent candidates clashed, causing injuries to both the sides. Multiple incidents of violence and arson have been reported in the state. 9 people have died so far.
Amid ongoing violence in West Bengal just before the Panchayat polls, the BJP and Congress seem to have come together before the Supreme Court to say that central forces must be deployed in the state to prevent ongoing violence. The state of West Bengal, the TMC government and the State Election Commission had approached the Supreme Court against the Calcutta High Court verdict, which had directed deployment of central forces across the state. The Supreme Court has now dismissed those petitions and has said that election is not a license or excuse for violence, that there must be free and fair elections, and violence or intimidation during the nomination process means that there will not be a free and fair election. While the TMC government says security threat assessment has been done properly, the other parties say it has not been done and it is the state government which is failing to take proper action. The Supreme Court has now upheld the Calcutta High Court decision to ensure deployment of central paramilitary forces across the state of West Bengal and not just the sensitive areas that have been identified by the State Election Commission. In New Delhi, with Sanjay Sharma, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
We are totally opposed to West Bengal Day. Our Chief Minister has already written to the Governor that we have never observed West Bengal Day in our history. We do not accept that West Bengal was established on 20th June 1947 when the Assembly, West Bengal Assembly accepted the partition. We believe West Bengal came into being on 15th August 1947. This attempt by the governor is to follow the BJP agenda of history.
এবং যেহেতু সুপ্রিম কোর্টের কার্যত ক্লিয়ারেন্সে সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্স নামছে, তাই সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্সের যে যারা দায়িত্বে থাকবেন, কমান্ড্যান্টরা বা তাদের যারা ব্যবস্থাপনায় থাকবেন, তাদের উপরও দায়িত্ব বর্তালো, যাতে রাজ্য সরকার তাদেরকে বসিয়ে না রাখতে পারে। তাদের উপর দায়িত্ব বর্তালো, এটা কেন্দ্রীয় সরকারের এমএইচ এর অর্ডারে হচ্ছে না, রাজ্য সরকারের রিকুইজিশনে হচ্ছে না, হাইকোর্টের অর্ডার হচ্ছে এবং সুপ্রিম কোর্ট আপনাকে ক্লিয়ারেন্স দিয়েছে। তাই সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্সেরও রেসপন্সিবিলিটি অনেক বেড়ে গেল, আমরা সেটা করাবো।